As many of you know, I am a Qigong teacher, a guardian, a guide, and I'm inviting people to join our next journey through the 5 elements. And this journey is called the 5 elements, the foundational roots. And I want to share just briefly about this journey, because what this journey is, it is really a map. It is a map it is a bridge, and it is a toolkit. So it is a map of the interior of your body, and it is a bridge between what happens outside us in the larger cycles of nature, what happens in the seasons, the times of day, what happens in our age, and then how that larger cycle is representative of what happens inside of us. So Qigong is a bridge to what's happening outside of you and inside of you. And it is a map that we're going to go through the 5 elements, and we're going to go through the 5 yin organs. And we're going to go through these organs and these elements with Qigong practices. And so that's how it becomes a toolkit. And a toolkit is filled with practices and principles of Qigong. So you're going to learn foundational principles like how to stand in Wu Ji, how to come into alignment. You're going to learn about rotating your dantian. You're going to learn about working with opening a practice, preparing yourself for a practice, and then closing out a practice so you can go about your day. You're going to learn working with the metal element, with your breath. You're going to work with the water element, with flow and tranquility. You're going to work with the wood element to stretch and open your body. You're going to work with the fire element to bring joy and lightheartedness and pleasure to your experience. And you're going to work with the earth element, and it's going to be very practical and grounded and simple. And we are starting in 2 weeks, and I'd love to have you on this journey with me. And our groups are forming. There's forming online and in person, and all the information is below. And if you have any questions, just reach out and ask. And when you see the link below, it'll probably answer all of your questions. But I'm here for you if you would like to know more. And I look forward to seeing you on the journey.